Today guys, I want to show you how you can test the conversation here for the engine. This one is normal. When you start and remove all the plugs and the ignition coils, you push this gauge, your cylinder gauge, and you measure one by one. So when this gauge comes below 90, as you see here, if it comes below 90 here, it means there is a problem, no compressor on that cylinder. But when it's above 120 and above, it means that it's okay. So this one is okay, but I want to show you if I find any cylinder which is not okay. We are going to see.